which is typically around this value. And the system is ready to use. As you can see, we're gonna load the method from the plotter to the GC. There is gonna be a separate video showing how to build the method on the plotter, then load it on the GC. So if we list, as you can see, list the method, it's telling us the parameter of everything. While it's continuing, just to let, so for the timetable event at 0, at 10, so it's gonna start integrating at 0, and it's gonna stop at the 8-minute mark. When listing the method before loading on the GC, the method itself is communicating with the GC, telling us that we're going to inject in loop address number 9, which is the auto sampler itself. The oven temperature, as you could see from the video previous, we set the oven temperature at 45, which is correct. The oven max is 250. This all matches. As you can see, injector B is off and detector B is off, whereas injector A that we set at 125 and detector A we set at 250. Our carrier gas is helium, and we're at signal 1B. That's the small glitch. Although injector B and detector B is off, we're dealing with signal B. After listing the method and confirming everything that you put on the method, now we're ready to load the method itself to the GC. So you go Shift Attenuation. This is going to give you load. Load. I don't know if you could see it on the video. So we're telling it to load the method. So Shift area reject, with the shift it's going to give you a method, so I'm telling it to load the method, load the method, then putting enter. Set point file is loading. As you can see, it's not ready. At this point, if we gonna introduce a change in the rate or any other change in the method, we would wait until the set file loaded from the plotter, and before it's go to ready, we could control it from the control panel right here. So if we gonna recreate this scenario again, you have initial temperature as 70. You're going to wait there 3 minutes. Then we have a rate of 25 Celsius per minute. Then until we reach the 140 Celsius, and then we will going to wait that in 1 minute. Let's recreate this. So initial value right here, initial value as I'm pressing, give me 30. I want my initial value at 70. So after I set it to 70, hit enter. Now it's 70. Initial time, looking back at the diagram, at 70 I want it to be at 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So initial time is, 3 3 minutes, and then I hit enter. The rate is 4 degrees per minute. I'll put it at 25 Celsius per minute. Final value, looking at the diagram again, it's 140 Celsius, and they're gonna stay there for 1 minute. So the final value is 140. That was my previous method. 140, and the final temperature is final time, is 1 minute. So it goes to initial value, initial time, rate, final value, and final time. We're waiting for the system to be ready. After that, we're ready to inject our sample. So is the system still not ready? Press the clear button twice, and it tells you why exactly it's not ready. First, it's telling me the oven temperature is not ready and the injector A is not ready. Remember, I changed the oven temperature by inputting the method that I want it to be at. So set point. So they're the same temperature, but again, it's not ready because I have equilibrium time of 0.5. So after reaching the set point, the system gonna wait 0.5, which is 30 seconds before it's ready. So it's been 30 seconds. That's why the system is ready. Here we have the solvent, which is acetone. This is to wash the syringe. And here the waste is just the waste of rinsing the syringe itself. And here is the vial that is to be tested, is put on the first container, as you can see. Okay, for us to start, we tell the machine to put sequence, which is by pressing shift. Sequence start. It's loading. It's loading. After everything is set, sequence start is telling me now it's loading the BTEX method. That was the last BTEX that method that I programmed into the plotter. While this is loading, we could change the method from the control panel right there. We're just waiting for system readiness. If you press clear a couple of times, oven and detector A are not ready.